Hey, welcome. Today I'm gonna retouch these glasses with the colored gradients that I shot way back in February. It's been a really busy time for us. I haven't had time, but today I'm gonna dig in. So let's just get right to it. So these are the three ones I decided on. And since we're working with really fine gradients, I have exported them into 16-bit files to keep the gradients from breaking. So let's just go ahead and open up the first one. So here we are. Nice, and these are gonna be really straightforward. I'm gonna get rid of myself over here. I'm gonna clean them up, add some contrast, check the colors, and that's probably gonna be it. One thing I noticed afterwards was that the board I used must have been crooked or something, so the reflections are tilted. So I'm gonna try and fix that. So let's start there. Let's pull out some lines. And as you can see, the actual glass is straight, but the reflection is crooked. So let's see if we can simply just cut out most of the reflection here. So I'll cut that out and transform. Try and just straighten it a little bit. Better, and I think it works here. I don't think anyone would notice that. At least now it feels straighter. So I'll just go with that. And to get rid of me, I think I will simply just stretch. So I'll cut out this piece, simply just do a little stretch till I'm gone. I can easily darken this side again if I want to. Okay, just realized I should have kept a background layer and done this on a retouch layer. So what I can do is just duplicate this. So I have the one I've fixed, and go back to my file, go back to the start, pull this over. So now I have that. So this is my retouch. So these glasses are not looking their very best. I think that dust and scratches will work pretty well with this. So I'll do a duplicate, filter, noise, dust and scratches. So I'll pull these sliders all the way down. And with the first one, I'll increase this value until dust is gone. At least all the smaller ones. And then I can increase the threshold to bring back some structure. Yeah, and now I can just put a black mask on this layer and go over and just paint this in wherever there's dirt. Okay, now I can merge this down. Nice, and there were some bigger spots that that the dust and scratches left some smudges, so let's just use our healing brush for that. Okay, so now let's add some contrast. I don't want it too much. So just something like that. Nice. And let's do a use sat. Just increase the saturation. Nice. Maybe a selective, and see, just play around with the red, so let's see what we can do. Maybe keep them, make them a little bit warmer. Or do I like the colder? A little bit more towards the pink. I think I like that. Okay, so that will probably be it. I'll show you a before and after of this. So we just clean it up, straighten the lines, added contrast and saturation. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the other two images, and then I can look at the whole series and see if there's anything more I want to adjust. So I'll go ahead and save this, open up the other two images, and do the same procedure. Okay, I don't really feel like I need to do anything more with these. Very simple, nice little series. So yeah, hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you.